Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Google Meet link. If you have a Google Meet link attached to a calendar event that you no longer need, the easiest way to remove it is by deleting the event it belongs to in Google Calendar. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process clearly so you can make sure the meeting link is no longer active for that scheduled event. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Once the calendar loads, look through your schedule and find the event connected to the Google Meet link you want to remove. This is the meeting entry where the link was originally created, so selecting the correct event is important before making any changes. Next, click on the event you want to cancel so you can review its details. A small event window should appear showing the title, time, and meeting information. Take a moment here to confirm that this is the right event, especially if you have several similar meetings on your calendar. This quick check can help prevent accidentally deleting the wrong one. After confirming the event details, click the delete icon. This is usually the trash bin symbol shown in the event window. Selecting this option removes the calendar event, which also removes the Google Meet link associated with it. If your event includes guests, Google Calendar may ask what you want to send to them as part of the cancellation. At that point, type a short note or message for your guests. This is helpful because it lets attendees know that the meeting has been canceled and that the Google Meet link should no longer be used. Keep your message simple and clear so there's no confusion. For example, you can briefly mention that the event has been canceled and that attendees can disregard the previous meeting link. Once that's done, confirm the cancellation so the update is sent out. After the event is deleted, the Google Meet link tied to that calendar entry is effectively removed along with the meeting itself. And that's it. That is how you delete a Google Meet link by removing its event from Google Calendar. As a final tip, if your goal is only to remove the Meet link but keep the rest of the event, you may want to edit the event instead of deleting it entirely. But if you're canceling the meeting altogether, this method is the right one and keeps everyone informed.